All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about whether you need the Tesla mobile connector. 1. Convenient charging at home. If you don't have a dedicated wall connector and only need occasional charging, the mobile connector is a great option. It comes with your Tesla, and you can plug it into any standard 110-volt outlet, which is perfect for overnight charging at home. 2. On-the-go charging. When you're out and about, the mobile connector is your backup. It's small, portable, and lets you charge your Tesla wherever you have access to an electrical outlet, whether it's a friend's house or a public charging station. 3. Flexible power options. The mobile connector is compatible with both 110-volt and 240-volt outlets, so if you need a faster charge, you can upgrade to a higher-powered outlet, like a dryer outlet, for quicker charging. 4. Essential for road trips. For long trips, especially in remote areas, the mobile connector could be a lifesaver. You never know when you'll come across an outlet you can use, and having it with you ensures you're never stuck without power. 5. Wall connector not installed yet? If you haven't installed a Tesla wall connector at home, the mobile connector allows you to start charging right away. It's the most basic and flexible charging solution until you're ready for a permanent setup. While not strictly necessary if you already have a wall connector or reliable charging infrastructure, the mobile connector is a must-have for convenience and peace of mind. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.